How to handle a personal injury claim after a car accident. So let's start it. First of all, start by acknowledging that car accident can be acknowledged, overwhelming and stressful, especially when injuries are involved. Emphasize that if you are injured in a car accident, you have the right to seek compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. This guide will help you understand the steps you need to take to handle a personal injury claim after a car accident effectively. So let's start it. So step number one, seek immediate medical attention. The first priority after any car accident is your health. Even if you feel fine intentionally, many injuries may not show symptoms immediately. Advise the audience to visit a doctor right away, even for seemingly minor injuries. A timely medical evaluation not only ensures your health but also documents your injuries for the claim. Highlight that keeping detailed records of your medical treatment will be critical when filing the claim. Now, point number two, report the accident to the authorities. It's important to report the car accident to law enforcement, especially if there are injuries or significant damage. The police will create an accident report which serves as a key piece of evidence in your personal injury claim. It will document the details of the accident, including the parties involved and who may be at fault. Encourage the audience to cooperate with the authorities, providing accurate information without admitting fault or making speculative statements. Now, points number three. One of the most crucial steps in any personal injury claim is collecting evidence. Advise the audience to take photos of the accident scene, including the damage to all vehicle involved, the surrounding environment, example read a condition, condition, weather and traffic signals. Any visible injuries? So suggest obtaining contact information from witness and the other drivers involved in the accident. Witness statements can play a significant role in proving fault. Now, points number four, notify your insurance company. After ensuring you are safe and collecting evidence, the next step is to notify your insurance company about the accident. Advise the audience to report the incident as soon as possible, providing detailed account of what happened. Mention that the insurance company will likely ask for the police report, photos, and other documentation to help access the claim. Now, fifth point is keep track of your medical treatment and expenses. Emphasize the importance of keeping detailed record of all medical treatment, prescriptions, and bill related to the accident. Suggest the audience maintain a log of how the injuries are affecting their daily life, including any time of work or immediate limitations in daily activities. Highlight that medical records and bills will play a key role in determining the compensation amount. Now, the sixth point is understand the insurance process. Explain that after notifying your insurance company, they will begin their investigation to determine the at fault party and access the damages. If the other driver is it at fault, your insurance company will work with their insurer to settle the claim. If you are at fault, your own insurance will cover your medical expenses depending on your coverage. Advise the audience to be patient, as the claims process can take time, and to follow up regularly to check on the status of their claim. Now, seventh point is consider hiring a personal injury lawyer. Suggest that if the car accident resulted in serious injuries or complex circumstances, it may be wise to hire a personal injury lawyer. Explain that a lawyer can help ensure that all evidence is properly gathered, medical expenses are accurately calculated, and the full extent of damages is considered. A lawyer can also help negotiate with insurance companies who often try to minimize payouts and represent you in court if needed. Encourage the audience to find a lawyer with experience handling car accident claims to maximize their chances of fair compensation. Now, 8 point is be cautious about settlements. Advise the audience to be carefully when considering settlement offers from insurance company. While it may be tempting to accept a quick payout, many initial settlement offers are lower than what you deserve, especially if your injuries are ongoing or require long-term treatment. Encourage the audience to discuss any offers with their lawyer before accepting them. So now conclusion is recap the steps is seek medical attention, report the accident, gather evidence, notify your insurance, keep track of expenses, understand the insurance process, consider hiring a lawyer, and be cautious about settlements. Remind the audience that handling a personal injury claim after a car accident requires time, efforts, and attention to detail. But following these steps can help them secure the compensation they deserve, and encourage them to reach out to a personal injury lawyer to guide them through the process and protect their rights. So that's it in this video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.